We'll guide you through how to compare Cloudflare with Namecheap. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Cloudflare website and log in to your account. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard where you can see an overview of your settings and features. Cloudflare is well known for its robust security features and performance enhancements, so take a moment to explore the options under the Security and Speed tabs. You can check out their DDoS protection and web application firewall settings, which are crucial for web security. Now, let's switch gears and head over to Namecheap. Log in to your Namecheap account and access the dashboard. Namecheap is primarily known for domain registration, but it also offers hosting services and SSL certificates. Compare their domain management tools and pricing plans to Cloudflare's free DNS services. While Namecheap provides some security measures, Cloudflare generally offers more advanced options. If managing domains is a priority, Namecheap might be more straightforward. However, for performance and security, Cloudflare could be a better choice. Consider your specific needs, like whether you prioritize high-speed content delivery or seamless domain registration. Additionally, check if Cloudflare's CDN services fit your business needs better than Namecheap's hosting solutions. Both platforms have their strengths, so weigh the costs against the features you value most. Ultimately, your decision should align with what your site needs to succeed in terms of speed, security, and budget. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.